Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-daisy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And today I've got a bit of a chit-chatty video for you, a bit of a reflection video. So I want to start by saying I don't want this to be a negative video. I want it to be a kind of reflective, state of the union-y type in the luxury community kind of video, if any of that makes sense. You may notice that I'm kind of winging it. It's because I felt I had a compulsion, I had the urge to come on and do this video given my luxury experiences over the last couple of months. You may notice that my hair is a slightly different colour. Yes, I did a home dyeing thing. I used this L'Oreal Colorista in #rose gold. So hubby offered to do this for me and I said, it's alright babe, I've got this. I can do this on my own. I had bought 2 packets of this because although, you know, my hair's a little bit fine and stuff these days, I've still got quite a lot of it and it's quite long at the moment. But as I was doing it, I thought, do you know what? This bottle is actually going to do the lot. So I didn't bother using the second one, and I am going to use the second one because weirdly, this worked really well on my natural greys. You can see the colours there. It's showing up more sort of orangey, goldy than the rosy in the camera viewfinder, so we'll see what that looks like. It went on really well on my greys, it's covered up all my greys and everything, but on the really heavily bleached bits, the bits that have been bleached over the last few years, it really didn't seem to take at all well. You can see, ooh, the difference in colour there. Weird, eh? I did this yesterday and I thought I'm going to blow dry my hair. First time I blow dried my hair, I think this year, probably in the last 4 months. I've been letting it dry naturally because I didn't want to hit it with the heat. But oh, I'd forgotten how nice it is to have a blow dry. Oh, my hair was feeling lovely. I have slept on it now, so it does look a little bit. Can't wait for the hairdressers to open and I can get in and see my wonderful, wonderful Lindsay. If you do enjoy luxury chat, reviews, unboxings occasionally and things like that, then please come and join my little gang of people over here on the YouTubes by hitting the subscribe button and ringing my bell so you're notified when I upload my videos, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Okay, shall we get into the meat and bones of this video, the reasons why I'm doing it? I don't know if you can tell, but I've kind of broken out in spots. Now, I don't generally get a lot of spots. I honestly think this breakout is from the stress of trying to convert that Noe Pouch. I know it probably looks quite put on in the video, and my husband even said, people are going to think that you're faking that, but honestly, I was stressed. I was sweaty, I was shaking a little bit, I just did not want to damage that bag. And then when hubby had a go after filming and everything, and I uploaded the video and everything, he had a go and I was watching him and I was like, no, don't do that, stop, don't force that, don't bend that, what have you done? Oh my word, oh my word. Now he did say, let me take this bag into another room for half an hour. You don't come in, you don't peek, you don't look, you don't ask any questions, and I will get this done for you. I took it off him there and then, phoned client services and said, I'd like to arrange a return, please. So there was that, and there was also the kind of fail with the Aspinal Pandora bag, which was beautiful. It was beautiful, but it wasn't the right choice for me. So I bought it, I showed it to you guys, I was like, yeah, yeah, and then husband asked some serious questions, to which I had to agree with him. For the record, I just want to say that my husband does not dictate to me what I can and can't have, but I do greatly value his opinion, and he has picked some corkers for me, and he has stopped me from making lots of mistakes in the past as well. So there's not anything like, he said, that's awful, it has to go back. He didn't like it, personally, but if it had worked for I've got bags here that he doesn't like, but he knows they work for me. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. He didn't tell me I had to get rid of it. It was a conversation that was had, and I realised the error of my way, and off it went back. Now, I have a problem with this, and I have a problem with the fact that I shared these things with you. And that problem is, I cannot stand YouTubers, whether they be small little baby YouTubers like myself, micro YouTubers, or the really mega 500,000 subscriber YouTubers. I have a real issue with the relentless unboxing of new stuff, and them saying, oh, it's the most amazing thing in the world and I love it to bits, it's a forever piece and I'll never get rid of it, and then you don't see it again, or they say, do you know what, I didn't like it that much and I sold it or I sent it back. And to me that feels very much like unboxing for unboxing's sake, just ordering something so you have content to put out there, and I don't trust them. And I stop following them when I feel that that is what is happening. So the last thing I want to do is to make you think that that's what I'm doing. I buy stuff because I think I want to keep it. Now, this whole situation over the last year, with us not being able to go to the shops and not being able to see things in person and what have you, I had never seen that Aspinal Pandora, and I'd never seen that Noe Pouch. I've been looking at that Noe Pouch from Louis Vuitton for about 3 years online, but I've never seen it in person. When I've been in store, they haven't had it available. Had I been able to go to an Aspinal store, I'm sure they would have had a Pandora available for me to have a look at. So there was no opportunity to have a look at it, try before you buy, that kind of thing. Even so, I'm disappointed that they didn't work out. So where am I going with this? Where am I going with this? Where I'm going with this is, I don't want you guys to think that I'm buying stuff just so I've got content to show you, to show off, and then I change my mind and I send it back. Hopefully you get my drift. I feel now that we're always chasing the next thing. I got 2 beautiful Aspinal bags for my birthday and Christmas from my husband. 2 beautiful bags. I bought myself a 3rd Aspinal handbag, which is also beautiful, in the January sales. And yet I was chasing for the next thing. And when I spoke to husband about it, and I spoke to him about doing this video, he said, look, you don't want to be negative about it or anything. And I really don't want to be negative about it, but I want to be kind of realistic about it. And when I said, it just feels like chasing the next thing. Like, this is the next big thing. This is the next thing you need to add to your collection. And he said, well, isn't that what it's all about? And I thought, well, maybe a little bit, but I kind of want to enjoy this lot as well. I have some beautiful, beautiful bags that aren't getting to see the light of day at the moment anyway. Why do I want to keep chasing? I have a wish list. I have a wish list. I tried to be really considered about my 2021 wish list, those things that I really, really want to get. But at the end of the day, I've got bags. I might have some gaps in my collection, but it's not like I'm going without. So that relentless chasing the next thing, I am guilty of it as much as anyone is. Chasing the next add to cart, beating the next price increase. It's available, go, go, go. And I'm a bit tired of it. I'm a bit stressed about it. And I don't think that these wonderful, luxury, beautiful pieces should be doing that to us. I think they should be filling us with warmth and joy and rainbow little unicorns dancing around our head and little birds singing and the clouds parting and the la, not the kind of need the next thing thing, need the next thing, and yeah, that might be quite an extreme representation of it, but that's kind of how maybe I just came to a bit of a head with the Noe Pouch conversion and getting a little bit stressed about it. So we're chasing the next big thing. We're being pummeled by Instagram influencer marketing strategies from the big brands to the point where, oh, my light's just dying. One of my lights is just dim, so I think the battery's on the way out, so I do apologise for that. So yes, we are chasing the next big thing. We're being pummeled by Instagram influencer marketing strategies and campaigns by the big brands, which personally put me off. We get bombarded with this is the next big thing and everything, right up until the point where when we see it, we start salivating, whether we like it or not, like some kind of weird Pavlov's dogs experiment. Restricted availability makes us more desperate to buy when the opportunity presents itself, beating the price increase. Like, if you want to get it, you get it now. Think about it later, whether you like it or you want it or not. Beat the price increase, add to cart. It just seems too difficult. I want to be able to be... I've seen something, I like it. I love it, in fact. It makes me feel all warm and squishy inside. I want to be able to go into a store. Obviously, when things calm down a little bit more, I want to be able to go into a store. I want to be able to look at it. I want to be able to pick it up, touch it, sniff it even, put my things in it. Does it work? Try it on. Not buy, ship to me, get all giddy and excited about it and then going, it's not for me, I'm going to have to send it back. Will we ever be satisfied? Will there ever be purse peace? Personally, I think it's a myth, because there's always something that we spot. Whether we think we have everything our little hearts could desire, I think our heads are turned by a, that's a new season piece. Oh, isn't it pretty? So my plan is, I'm taking a break from chasing the next luxury handbag, chasing it. I still have my wish list. I still have the things that I would like on it, like the Saint Laurent college bag. I'm still hankering for it, but what I'm not going to be doing is chasing Farfetch and Louis Vuitton and stuff to see if they've got Saint Laurent included in any discount codes and do I get the right one. You know, I just want to be able to focus on and say, at some point this year, I would love to get the Saint Laurent college bag, and if it happens, wonderful, and if it doesn't, it wasn't meant to be, and just kind of try and let it go. You will be very pleased to hear that I am not going to break... Oh, I might have to. Let it go, let it go. No, not doing that. I apologise if you have children and you're already subjected to that wretched song all the time. So I'm going to take a break from chasing that next luxury handbag purchase. I am still going to be joining in with all the wonderful tag videos. I still have a backlog of tag videos, things like one bag per brand. You know, I'm still going to join in with all of that stuff. I haven't stopped loving luxury handbags. I just need to take a little step back and go, come on, love, have a look at what you've got. So I'm going to be doing those tag videos. I'm going to be working on some review videos of the bags that I currently have that I haven't already done review videos for. I've got some requested videos. I really want to do my Pandora charm bracelet video for you because that's been requested. So I think that's what you're going to see from me from the next couple of months at least. All of that said, I do have an admission that I do have a luxury unboxing coming up for you guys. It is not a handbag, but it is a wish list. Oh god, that light's going now as well. It is not a handbag, it is a wish list item. It was ordered in January and it took about 7 weeks to get to me. Who knows why. But I do have that coming up. So I'm trying not to be very hypocritical here by saying I'm taking a step back. But look at this luxury unboxing. Whoop, whoop. This is how I'm feeling. I was really, really stressed. And I actually feel like a bit of a weight is being lifted by telling you. I'm going to get off my high horse now. I'm going to go and make myself a coffee. I am looking forward to taking a handbag out. I'm actually going to be taking out my Neo Noe later today with my new Dress Up Your Purse grab strap, because I have to go to the bank it's not something I can do remotely. I have to go to the bank and I need to go and pick up some tea and coffee as well. So I thought I am going to road test that new strap from Dress Up Your Purse that I put on my Neo Noe, and it'll be the perfect size bag to pop all my bits in once I've bought them. So on that note, I'm going to leave you here. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's made sense to you where I'm coming from with this video. If you did, please do hit the like button and give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and ring my bell, and I will see you for the next video. In the meantime, I'm going to go and take some headache pills because I've given myself a right headache doing this. In the meantime, stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!